Listen, if she's not interested, you can't force her to miss you. You can't make her want you just by sending messages. You can't be the nice guy and expect to walk into her heart. But you can make her feel something she didn't see coming. And when you do it right, she'll find herself thinking about you, even if she once swore she never would. Even if she told her friends, you're just a friend. Even if she thought she already had you figured out. I'm going to guide you precisely on how to turn that around without chasing, without begging, without losing your self-respect. Because once you understand this, you stop being an option and you become someone she can't get out of her mind. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human psychology on a level most men never do. And in the end, you'll know exactly why she doesn't miss you right now and the step-by-step way to change that. So let's start with the bitter truth. Why she doesn't miss you at all. And if you think it's because you're not good enough, you'll soon learn the real reason she doesn't miss you. Picture this. She barely replies to your messages. When you ask her out, she's busy. She talks to you like you're just a regular friend, and your conversations feel like weather reports. You've tried being better. You've tried being more available. And somehow, she's only grown less interested. Here's the brutal reality. Everything you think you know about getting the attention of a woman who isn't interested is wrong. The harder you try to convince her of your value, the more you confirm her suspicion that you're not worth her romantic attention. Why? Because in her mind, there's no scarcity. You're always there. Your attention has no price. It's not rare, not exclusive, just background noise. And in today's world, she's flooded with male attention. DMs, compliments, likes. Every guy is trying to get into her awareness. And your efforts blend right into all of that. Her brain has to protect itself from this flood of attention. And the way it does that is by filtering you out. She's not rejecting you because you're not enough. She doesn't care because you've given her no reason to see a difference. Humans are wired to notice contrast. We ignore what's common. We desire what's rare. And when your attention is overflowing, it loses its value. Meaning, if you want her to miss you, you don't give more. You give less. Here's the paradox. Once she feels your absence, she starts noticing the empty space you leave behind. And that's when curiosity starts working in your favor. So if giving more only makes her care less, what actually makes her start missing you? This is where the real strategy begins. How to make her miss you. Before we continue, do one thing for me. Hit the like button. If this already feels relatable, what's coming next will hit even harder. Let's continue. The first step, and the hardest for most men, is to remove yourself from the front row of her life. Not in a childish or angry way. Not with drama like I'm blocking you. Just quietly step out of her day-to-day world. No more constant texting. No more liking her posts. No more being her backup option. Stop watching her stories. Stop reacting to her photos. In the digital age, disappearing from her online world is often felt more than disappearing physically. Why? Because it creates a pattern interrupt. Your name goes missing from her notifications. The familiar background noise disappears. And the human brain hates broken patterns. But here's the catch. Your absence cannot look empty. This is where most men fail. They disappear and then sit at home, sulking, refreshing Instagram. That's not attractive. You need to build a life that is full and visibly so. Friends, hobbies, gym, travel, new photos, new energy. When she sees your life moving forward without her, two thoughts immediately hit her. Wow, he's doing fine without me. Wait, who is he spending time with? That second thought is gold. It's the beginning of curiosity. Now add social proof. Post moments of your life that naturally include other people, especially women. Don't force it. Don't take pictures with random strangers just to make her jealous. Authenticity wins. And here's something most men overlook: memory triggers. Inside jokes, unique references, certain songs, scents, or phrases connected to you. So when she hears or sees them again, you pop into her mind without you doing a thing. Add intellectual stimulation too. Things that expand her mind, new perspectives, intriguing ideas, skills she doesn't have. When you're gone, she won't just miss your attention, she'll miss the way you make her think. And when it's time to reappear, do it strategically. Not 2 days later, not when she first sends, "Hey, stranger." Wait long enough for her to truly feel your absence. 2 to 6 weeks, depending on how often you used to talk. Come back as a better version of yourself, more confident, fitter, more focused. No explanations, no apologies, just the energy of a man whose life is going well. That's how you turn indifference into curiosity. And here's the thing. When you do this successfully, it's not just about making her miss you. It's about becoming the kind of man no one forgets. I know it's not easy. When you like someone, your instinct is to give more, to prove your worth. But in reality, that's exactly what kills attraction. You have to step back, not because you're playing games, but because you're building a life so rich, so full, so magnetic, that whether she likes you or not, you still win. If this feels relatable, comment value so I know you're serious about growing, and hit subscribe.